a song. So sing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z sugar and bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. I hope you will like this song. So let's start learning. This is letter A. Sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter A is A. And A arrow. A says A. A says A. There are more words from A. For example, A aeroplane, A X, A alligator. Now we will learn sound of B. This is letter B. Sound of B is B. B. B balloon. B bag. B says B. B says B. There are more words from B. For example, B ball, B boy, B basket. Now children, you will revise it and keep practicing. Have a nice day.